What's good, my guy?
Let's go. Welcome.
Good to see you, man.
Up, baby?
I kind of know this place a little bit, man. So tell me what we got right
We're
here.
at Riviera Monaco, keeping it classy, keeping it elegant, living our best life, shining like the sun itself. We out here, beautiful day, Pattaya, Thailand, Riviera Monaco.
She threw her heart into the flames, but it came back a little scarred. Said goodbye to all the games, now she's a queen without a guard. No more tears on her pillow, dancing to her own free beat.
We got a state-of-the-art tennis court on the rooftop, and we're going to show you guys what it's about. We're going to start there and take you around town. Let's go see what's up. We're gonna walk through this parking garage. I'm gonna be completely honest, this is my first time going up there, but let's come with me for the first time. Let's do it. I love this. This is something that I resonate with a lot. Be yourself, because everyone else is already taken. Oscar Wilde, someone that I have referenced a lot in my own work, my personal life. And one thing you need to know is don't try to really be like anyone else, because there's only one of you. And when you shine in your truth and your authentic self, no one can duplicate it. Doesn't matter how much they try to imitate you, no one can really be you. People don't even realize this, but Van Gogh imitated all of his work, but it was still his own work, and it shines as his own because he is him. Take inspiration from others. Let yourself shine through that inspiration. Right, so it's my first time in the garage, so we'll see what cars we got. Looks like we got a little Maybach. Shout out, I was living in Miami for a little bit. Shout out Rick Ross. A little Maybach music. Go up the elevator. This is the bat cave. We're going up to the labyrinth here. So I'm gonna see my man Alfred upstairs.
All right, we're gonna see if Andreas is here, man. Let's see what's up.
Yo.
Oh, what's up, bro?
It's our boy NBNY. He's that guy. What's up? Welcome to the pad. This is where we're staying at in Riviera Monaco. Welcome to my little sanctuary here, where I keep my zen and I use my pen. Your pen is your power. So this is where it's at. So paying about, for this view and everything I got here, 18,000 baht a month. So we got everything furnished in here, already ready to roll, move in ready. Came in, no hassle. Moving out of survival. We're not here to survive, we're here to thrive. It's a mindset, and this place gives me the clarity. Allows me to have more clarity. And so we got the bathroom, pretty state of the art. Shower's amazing. We got 2 shower handles here, and as a 6'3" guy, it's not always convenient for me to duck and have to clean myself the way a king needs to be cleaned. So that's why they give us the overhead. We don't gotta worry about it. All right, so moving in here, they gave us a nice, spacious refrigerator and freezer. However, I'm in Thailand. I get $1 to $2 pad thais downstairs.
What? What?
Fresh food, fresh greens, fresh coconut smoothies for under $3, $4, $5. So I don't really need to go grocery shopping. But what I do is I make sure I'm always eating my fruit. I'm always staying hydrated. So most importantly, I got half a watermelon here I'm gonna eat later today. I eat about half a watermelon to a full watermelon every single day, and that's about all that goes in this fridge.
I made this right here to remind you that you gotta celebrate life. celebrate. It's time to celebrate. It's time to raise a glass, shake your ass, do what you gotta do to make you laugh. It's time to celebrate. It's time to celebrate. It's time to elevate. I'm on another wave. I just wanna feel the magic. I wonder if you feel the magic. I'm just trying to build the magic. 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 Don't take this time for granted. Ain't got much time on this planet. So tonight, don't hesitate. Let the music take you away. Cause the nights turn to days. Then the time slips away. Ain't got time to waste. I'm pushing all the stress.
Yo, what's good? It's Trev, NBNYGlobal. I'm here with Andreas, aka Dreas. This is my guy, man. So why don't you tell him how we met?
Yeah, shout out NBNY. We're out here doing the video. Really means a lot to me. We got connected. Shout out our mutual friend Keith, the Spice King. He's gonna get you right. Check him out, SpiceKingWorld.com. I'll give him a shout out.
No doubt.
We were working together, and I actually came out here to Thailand working with him on his mission and his vision, and that's how I first got to know Thailand a little bit. And through Keith, the Spice King, I met my guy NBNY here,
That's
and
it.
now here we are in the present moment, doing our thing, doing a video. Praise the Most High, man. We're out here,
So let's talk,
Yeah.
man. So I know you're from Florida.
yeah.
So let's talk about that. You're coming up in the world
Mhm.
and what you did prior to venturing out. Because you're
Yeah.
only, how old?
I'm 28 years old.
28
But,
years old,
yeah.
guys. And he's out here by himself in Thailand.
Yeah.
It's a blessing, brother.
Praise God, man. Yeah, so actually originally I was living in Florida for almost a decade. But before Florida, I was a Bay Area native. Shout out the Bay, California. Cali raised. So some people say I look more Cali than Florida. Maybe they're right. But,
Factual.
yeah. But yeah, so we started out in Cali, former baseball player. Used to really be devoted to athletics, baseball, committed to that craft. And that took me to Florida. So I had a full ride scholarship, and I went to college in South Florida out of West Palm Beach. And then after that, you had COVID, which sort of ended my final season of my career and then led me to a new path of more spiritual development, soul searching, looking for what is my vision, what is my purpose, why am I really here? Especially committing. A lot of athletes you may be watching, you devote so much time, hours and hours to the game, that once it's over, it kind of gives you time to, or perhaps reflect and reshuffle the deck of your life.
What led you back to Thailand?
Yeah, good question. I feel what led me to Thailand was feeling like America, perhaps as an entrepreneur, someone who's kind of made that decision, that ultimatum of, hey, I'm not fit for this box that the world puts me in. And I'm here for more. I'm here to follow a dream, an ambition, a purpose that's perhaps bigger than you, me, and everyone watching. So saying that, I felt America had me in this spin cycle where I was just, things are obviously more expensive. As an entrepreneur, I'm working 14, 16 hours a day. I felt many aspects of my life were being marginalized. And I wanted to, as a free-spirited person, I wanted to just, I believe breaking the pattern is sometimes the best thing we all can do.
Hey, listen, this
Yeah.
guy's 28 years old, guys. I got him by 19 years.
It's only a number. Family.
It
It's only a
is,
number,
it is. But I
fam.
just found
Yeah.
out. I just found out about this life.
Yeah.
Literally, 4 years ago, I decided to change my life, which we talked about.
Yeah.
And I compliment you all the time about
Mm.
how young you are and how the light bulb hit you at a much younger age.
Yeah.
Man. Let's talk about how you're making money out here
Mhm.
and how you're supporting this lifestyle.
Yeah, no, for sure. So I've been fully self-sufficient, running my own business pretty much, I'd say successfully for about 3+ years. Having full-time clients I've been working with in South Florida is where I was originally stationed with, doing a lot of content marketing, media, social media, helping brands local, online. Keith, Spice King, one of them. So shout out Keith. And that whole avenue of starting that business took me around the world. So if anyone's watching, taking the risk, there is that reward that is always there. And perhaps it's more risky not taking the risk nowadays. But to kind of get back to the original question, I've developed enough relationships where I'm able to build, or I have enough clientele remotely to build a remote income here that sustains me sufficiently. And really what I wanted to do is, I know the power of content marketing, personal branding, something I've helped a lot of people with on their journey. And I wanted to just maximize my own personal brand, my own vision for my life. So I felt coming here was like the golden opportunity for me to do that. I truly believe if you reflect on your life experience, it's actually the pain, the suffering, the moments where you feel like you fucked up. I'll be completely blunt here, but like it was those moments of darkness that actually allow you to see the light, and you can actually build a business around building a system that we can actually turn our content into currency. So what I mean by this is a lot of people, including myself, who maybe have gone mega viral, you've got millions of views, you've generated a ton of attention, but we struggle to turn that attention into actual revenue, right? Something I like to look at is it's a universal law. It's called the law of equivalent exchange. The law of equivalent exchange basically says is when the energy you give out, right, will always find its way to reciprocate back to you. So there's this equal and opposite exchange of energy, and that's what really we need to look at money and currency as. It's currency. It's a current. It's like electricity. It's electric. It's energy. However, a lot of people, and I've experienced this myself, they want to catch an abundance of fish, and they have bait, and your bait is how you attract the fish, perhaps your content, and that is your story, that is your passion, that is the skill or process that you've developed in your life that you can help others with. But you're throwing the bait out, but you don't have a net or a system or method to actually receive the fish to bring back to feed your village, to feed yourself, and to spread that abundance.
Now, if you had to do a 15-second pitch, what would you tell clients?
I would say allow your soul to do the selling rather than selling your soul. And what I mean by that is a lot of people, why do you start content? What's your why? People go out here and they say, for the most part, I want to create a new life for myself, a new reality. I want to have more freedom. That's my why. I'm a freedom maximalist. Everything I do is based around enhancing my freedom and others. But again, I know he said 15 seconds. I kind of gave it, but I'm elaborating. People start creating content because they want to escape their 9 to 5. They want to be in Thailand. They want to be traveling around and not being contained by any person, thing, or box that people are putting all of us in: society, the workforce, the workplace, schools, etc. But what they fail to what people know, but they fail to really understand is that they're making content for that reason. They want more money, they want more freedom, but they just don't really know how to set it up in a way that allows that. They think, oh, I'm just going to create content and go viral and my life will change. That's not how it works. Like, I hate to break it to you, that's not how it works. You're going to learn a valuable lesson by doing that. You're going to go viral and you're going to be like excited and it's going to be an adrenaline rush. But then you realize, oh shit, I'm not actually making that much money off of this, right? And you thought it was one thing, but there's a way of doing it that actually allows you to do more with less, where you, instead of going super viral, if you set it up the right way in your business and you have that intention, you can actually get less views and do more business than someone getting a lot more views than you. Remember that you have something that no one else has, and that's you, your story. That's why I always tell people the path to gold is paving behind you. It's the story that you've lived.
Where can people find you at, man?
Yeah, so if you want more information on what I do, you can go follow me on all platforms. Dreas Talks, TLKS, DREAS, TLKS. My mission for my brand, TLK, stands for Teaching Love and Kindness to Self. That's something that I've always wanted to empower in my own self, and I'm constantly working on, and I want to inspire in others. Working with clients specifically and people out there that want to build their brand, empower their own vision, building those systems so that you can start to attract, align, and shine.
I'm going to shout you out, brother.
Okay.
Hey, we sat at a coffee shop for about 2-3 hours.
Yeah, we chopped it up.
We chopped it up, man.
Yeah.
He gave me some great advice. I am going to become a client here shortly. This is the thing about this guy, man. The advice he gave me, he literally told me I can do it myself. He gave me the tricks and the tools. He gave it to me for free. All right?
Yeah.
He said, however, you know, he's done it. He knows how to do it. He's successful. So I can rock with him or I can do it myself. So he gives you that option as well. So I just want to say thank you for the time we spent together, brother, and the tea we had, and you know, it was a good time. So we're gonna get out of here, man. Once again, I thank you, brother.
Yeah, much love, NBNY. He paid for the tea, by the way.
NBNYGlobal. Let's go!
Let's get it. Pick up in my feet, hit the ground. Chasing dreams and I'm never slowing down. Blue like the sky, I won't cry, I won't break. Yellow like the sun, no fear I can fake. I take risks, I move with grace. Lion in my heart, I set the pace. Telling Dreas, yeah, that I'm on fire. A go-getter soul, aiming higher. Never scared, I'm in control.
In control, let's get it.
Feelings like a lion with a heart of gold.
We got that heart of gold. Let's go.
Blue for the calm, yellow for the bold. Every day's a chance for the stories untold.
Let's go. NBNY, let's get it. Harmony.
Strong and salt, I'm lighting the way. Taking risks, cause that's how we play. Never sad, never scared, no, not today. Living life, no limits, come what may. Yeah.
Another banger, let's get it.
20 years of fight, I've seen it all. But I stand tall, I'll never fall. Fat Asian Marine, but that's my past. Now I'm pushing forward, making life last. Each step I take is a leap of faith. And I'm all in, I won't hesitate. With the lion's roar inside my chest, only chasing after what's the best. Never sad, never scared, I'm in control.
In control.
Feelings like a lion with a heart of gold.
Heart of gold, y'all. Heart of gold.
Blue for the calm, yellow for the bold. Every day's a chance for the stories untold.
Hey, that's a wrap from Riviera Monaco. Appreciate you, brother.
Thank you, bro.
As always.
That was dope. Yeah.
Hey,
Dope.
Andreas, we out. Let's go!